The Children's Wellness Center is the only healthcare provider for children in Del Valle, a poor rural community east of Austin.
Children's Wellness Center, this is Alice. Can I help you?
I like the Wellness Center because it's like, I live like 2 miles from here, and then if I had to go somewhere else, it would be like over there in Austin. And so it's like really hard for me because I have a kid. So it's like real close, that's why.
The reason I think that we're special at the Wellness Center is that not only do we have the ability to give individual care to a group of children and make a difference one-on-one in a large number of children's lives, but we also have the ability to affect an entire community.
The University of Texas at Austin has 3 missions: to serve the community, to teach, and to create knowledge through research. Since 1996, the Children's Wellness Center has helped the university and the School of Nursing fulfill its missions.
We're proud of our partnership with University of Texas, and when we say partnership, it's many different kind of things. And the Wellness Center probably has been one that's been going on, the single one that's been going on for the longest period of time. They're good for kids, they provide immunizations, they provide well checks, they're good for staff with the various things that we do for staff with wellness for the staff. It's a great partnership that it'd be difficult to operate the school without them.
The Wellness Centers matters to the university, I mean, just on the basic sort of human level. I mean, it's doing good things. It not only provides a chance to educate and do some basic research, but in the process of those two things, some very obvious benefits accrue to the community. So, you know, it's the university's mission is always defined in terms of research, teaching, and service, and that the Children's Wellness Center brings those 3 things together like most other things don't. That's the truth.
Texas ranks 49th in childhood immunizations in the country. Only 75% of school-aged children in Texas have received all their shots. In 2002, the Children's Wellness Center immunized more than 9,000 children. Now, Del Valle boasts a 98% immunization rate. 68% of Del Valle residents live below the poverty line. The center assists families in obtaining prescription medications through a pharmacy voucher program.
This is real important to me as a nurse practitioner because this means that I don't have to limit myself to the cheapest medicine possible when a more expensive medication would really be better for the child.
That's why the Wellness Center nurses focus on prevention through education and well child exams. Through the Reach Out and Read program, each child gets to take home a book at the end of each exam.
It's rare to have a nurse-run clinic, and that's important and special because nurses care more about the person than the earache.
Just brush it, okay? Have you been to the dentist lately?
Nurses are uniquely suited to deal with this kind of situation because we're able to really go beyond the traditional role. Nurses as a whole are wonderful people who try to look at the whole person.
In 1995, Susan Franzetti was the only registered nurse in the 174 square miles of Del Valle.
I noticed that there were significant gaps in student education time because of students wanting to enroll in the district but not meeting the requirements for immunizations and TB testing.
She visited with faculty at the School of Nursing who set up this unique collaboration between the university and the Del Valle School District.
While it may seem that the university is not in the actual business of providing health care, but it is in the business of providing settings for our students. Just as it does provide settings for chemistry students in their laboratories, for physics students, this is in essence our clinical laboratory.
Hasn't had a stool since Tuesday, still is having wet diapers.
More than 200 graduate and undergraduate students a year rotate through the Wellness Center, learning aspects of healthcare they won't find elsewhere. They come from 6 colleges of the university: business, LBJ School of Public Affairs, liberal arts, social work, natural sciences, and of course, nursing.
I think this is a great place because students in the hospital, I mean, that's the traditional role of a nurse, is to work in the hospital. But through coming out here to a clinical site, you can see just a completely new experience. You can see that nurses can work anywhere, so I think it's valuable just to see the versatility that nurses have and give students the ideas of so many places where they can work. And I think our clinic is also beneficial because we focus a lot on health and wellness instead of just illness.
The Children's Wellness Center is, in my view, the best place you could possibly teach pediatrics because it is a place where best practice is so evident. And I can't think of a better place to take my students in pediatrics but to be in a place where I know that that's what's going to happen there. The students are able not only to observe these things, but they also are participating in these things. And sometimes the students are collaborating with the other nurse practitioners to set a new way of doing things or look at a protocol that needs to be revised because of new research, something like that. It is just a real active, interactive, collaborative kind of place to be.
I've learned quite a bit of Spanish today and how to deal with kids that are upset, and a lot of the stuff that they teach you in class that you don't really get to do, we get some good hands-on experience.
¿Es bueno para usted? Okay. So this is your sleeves. Gracias.
It is, of course, a wonderful thing for people who work with a diverse population to be able to speak the language. It's also important to remember, though, that you don't need to always be able to speak a language to intervene in a situation.
Faculty from the School of Nursing also base their research here. Ongoing projects are studying asthma, obesity, attention deficit disorders, and health education for parents.
We have a large number of Spanish-speaking clients. We have a large number of children who have weight and nutrition issues. So there's things that make it kind of compact one-stop shopping, if you will, for somebody who's wanting to work with a specific patient population.
Nursing is a very humanitarian profession. It is probably one of the noblest professions in our nation. And to put our philosophy of care to actual practice is a great commendation for the School of Nursing, especially for the faculty.
The continuing success of the Children's Wellness Center depends on three things: the dedication of the Wellness Center staff and faculty at the School of Nursing, the support of people in Del Valle, and a financial commitment from the community. State and federal funds help the center get off the ground, and the university, as well as community foundations, pays some staff salaries. Private dollars are needed to help build an endowment that will help the center become more financially secure.
The majority of our families make every effort to pay for their medical care here. It is something that's very important to us to acknowledge them and their dignity and their pride. So many families will come back to us in a week, in a month, and say, you did something for us, you saw my child when I had no money, I have a job now, and I want to pay the clinic for what they did for me.
Despite these small contributions, money is still needed to pay for operational costs. The prescription voucher program, for instance, costs $36,000 a year. Immunizing children also requires money.
We get the vaccine for free through a federal program called Vaccine for Children, but the actual cost of the syringes, the cotton, the Band-Aids, everything a child needs for the vaccine actually costs us money to do, so that runs to about $20,000 a year.
Because the center sees more children every year, the amount of income it receives from donations and insurance has risen more than 100% each of the last 2 years. But money is needed to make sure the center remains open.
And it's really neat when, a client comes back and brings something that they baked, or with their book drives. When families say, oh, wow, I've got these extra books, can we give back to the clinic? That I realize that the community has taken ownership in the clinic itself.
The need for access to pediatric health care in Del Valle is not going away. The Wellness Center is responding by providing quality nursing services to the entire community. It serves as a model for other community-based clinics.
I do believe that the concept of a center, a community-based, community-driven center like the Wellness Center is definitely the wave of the future, particularly rural areas that don't have a whole lot of other options. I think those are ideal places for nurse practitioners and clinics like the Wellness Center.
There she is, beautiful and healthy.
The longer I've been here, the more I recognize people and the more they know me. So it's neat because certain kids will come in and they smile the minute they see you. And even kids who, you know, I've had to do lab work on or do shots, after we're done, they always hug you or they smile or they, you know, tell you thank you. And that is happening more and more.
What is special about the Children's Wellness Center is the personnel there, their devotion to the children, the fact that there are many volunteers from the community adding support to the clinic, the fact that the students, even beyond their class work there, actually go and volunteer during the heavy seasons of immunizations, the fact that faculty give service there in addition to their regular teaching loads. All of this tells you that it has attracted some of the best minds in the community that know the benefits of that clinic to the children. That makes it very unique.
There is so much good that is out here. I cannot even begin to tell you what good things happen and how much the community needs what we're able to give them, and they tell us this. We're part of what happens out here, and it makes a difference.